guys, so today I'm going to start transitioning my house into from the summertime to fall, but not full-blown Halloween yet. So I'm going to clear off and change this up a little bit. I changed the flowers on my island already from those pink peony flowers to orange. I'll share you that later, but let's get into kind of cleaning this up and transitioning into fall. I am so excited to be decorating my home to fall. I am just done with spring, summertime, and COVID, everything like that. I'm ready for just a new season, a new transition. So decorating for fall is so exciting to me. I love changing up my mantle place. That's exactly where I love to decorate the majority of the time. I got the pumpkin sign from Hobby Lobby. I recently did a shop with me at home in Hobby Lobby. I will go ahead and link that in the cards for you above. But I picked up these white pumpkins as well from Amazon. Everything that I can find that is still available online, I will link down below for you guys. And then these cute little Mickey and Minnies I got actually from a grocery store last year. So check it out. They're also at Hobby Lobby as well. When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say. Another main space that I like to decorate for the holidays is our dining room. So I'm going ahead and putting up all of our spring decor. I also got this lantern from one of my aunts and uncles, and I like to fill it up with different kind of vase fillers. So I'm putting away my spring vase filler with like the flowers and bowls and stuff like that, and I just ordered some new ones from Amazon that will be coming shortly. Y'all have to let me know, what is your favorite space in your home to decorate for the fall time? Mine is definitely the fireplace in the living room, but this is the next place. But I love to know what your favorite kind of little nook in your house is to decorate. Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? So before I get to decorating the kitchen, I need to clean it up a bit from breakfast, lunch, things like that. So I am clearing out the dishwasher and going to reload it, do some hand washing, all that kind of fun daily necessity things you have to do in the kitchen. Stumbling out of bed and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted every time I see your... Fall time for me means good food. So I have some good what's for dinner videos coming on this channel. Crock pot, of course. Also have some yummy desserts. If you haven't seen my past ones, I have made pumpkin muffins before, a fall Muddy Buddy, and some peanut butter cookies. I will go ahead and link that video up above, and I'll also have my recipes or fall playlist down in the description if you guys are interested and want to stick with this fall mood. I have a lot of good videos in my fall playlist, different decor hauls I've done, candle reviews, things like that. But I absolutely love fall, and if you guys too, definitely check out that playlist. Could you come a little closer now, 'cause I don't want to slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name, I'm wasted on you. Here we are right underneath the stars, so let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will
Okay guys, so since it's fall time, let me know your favorite Halloween or fall movie that you like to rewatch every year. For my family, it's definitely the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown, and I'm excited to watch that again this year with little Jackson. But let me know what your favorite Halloween or fall movie you have to watch every year is in the comments down below. Let's have a conversation.
I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this.
I am still obsessed with my blue scroll vase, and I changed up the flowers for fall time. All of that you can get on Amazon, but I am obsessed. And then of course our toddler tower. Jackson uses this all the time. I love that it's easy to clean, wipeable, and can fold up and be put away when we don't need it. So it just makes the kitchen have more room, it looks nice, and there is definitely a need for this for anyone who has a toddler. One of the biggest changes in our house is we got rid of our high chair for Jackson about a month or two ago, but you can see on one of these chairs there's like the booster seat. This has made a big difference in the amount of food that he is eating. He is definitely eating more food with sitting at the table with us, and he feels more a part of the family, and it also opens up my kitchen, and I don't have a huge high chair anymore in my kitchen. So I'm obsessed. The little booster seat came with the high chair. I'll see if I can link it down below for you guys. But that is one of the biggest changes, and I'm so happy that we have kind of transitioned into that with Jackson. We recently went on like a baked goods run. My parents brought over some Krispy Kreme donuts the other day, and then Isaac went to our local bakery to get some huge cinnamon rolls. So I wanted to just kind of put this in a small Tupperware container instead of have the giant cardboard box on my kitchen counter. And if y'all are curious what is cooking up in that crock pot right behind me, it is those chicken Philly cheesesteaks from the crock pot. I will link the recipe what's for dinner video up in the cards above. So good. I've made that a couple times since that video. It's just definitely one of my family's favorites. Yeah, you got a Mickey and a Minnie Mouse for Halloween and the fall time. Oh, they're witches? Ah. Oh, is that what they say? There you go. Did you see all the pumpkins up there? That's a pumpkin too. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this clean and decorate with me. I definitely have more fall content coming your way, so be sure to subscribe to stay up to date for more videos from me. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand